everyone, my name is Mari Torres coming to you from the Children's Museum Houston. Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own paint made out of ice. How cool is that? Get it? And this activity may require your adult supervision, so make sure to ask them for permission before you make your own ice paint. Now, grab your mittens because it's about to get icy. For this activity, you will need an ice cube tray, different food colorings, popsicle sticks, preferably smaller size, and water, and of course, you're going to need some paper to paint on. Now first, you're going to fill up your ice cube tray. I'm going to do 4 different colors. So I'm going to fill up 4 different cavities. After you have filled the cubes with the water, then you can add your food coloring to make the paint. I'm going to use different blues. So I'm going to just put 1 dot. And depending on the size of your ice cube tray, then you might want to use 2 dots, but you don't want to add too much. Remember, a little goes a long way. Then you can gently mix in the colors with your popsicle stick or your craft stick. Make sure the color has dissolved completely. And then I'm just going to gently rest the popsicle stick on the side. Then repeat for all the remaining colors. After you're done mixing your colors, then you want to take your ice cube tray to the freezer very carefully, and you're going to want to leave them inside the freezer for probably 2 hours or more until they are completely frozen. Once your ice paints are ready, make sure to gently pop them out of the ice cubes and hold on to them with your popsicle stick. These are all ready to go. So once you have taken them out, then you can grab some paper and use the popsicle sticks to help you paint a watercolor masterpiece. And this is my masterpiece. I like how I added glitter to my ice paint so it can make my painting come to life. Wow, well that sure was a cool way to play with ice. I hope you guys enjoyed this frozen activity. And that's all the time we have for today. But before we go, I have one more pun that I would like to share with you all. Are you ready? What do you call kids that play with ice? Children! Get it? Well, thank you so much for joining me here today at Children's Museum Houston. My name is Mari Torres, and don't forget to tag us on social media and to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, bye!